Hello people, it's another beautiful day, and with me today I have the Maono Dual Lavaliere Microphone. But before we get into what I want to do with you on this video today, of course it's unboxing and reviews. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos, and of course like this video, share with your friends and families so they also get this nice videos I'm putting out all just for you. So let's get right to business. I got a Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone here with me, and it's a really nifty device, pretty much on budget for me, and it serves the purpose of me having to record with another guest on my videos, on my shows, and for some other nice videos coming up later this year and some part of next year for me. So let's do an unboxing and review of that video and see how the microphone matches up to some other microphones that I've been using in the past. Quick tip: my wife will be joining me in this recording, because what is the fun of having dual microphones without having two persons do the recording for you? So let's get right to business, shall we? So let's get the box open and see what is actually inside the packaging. I just got this delivered this morning, so I'm just gonna slide it open, and then in there I got my Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone box. Looks pretty nice. Nice packaging, good design, pretty, handy. I think I'm gonna be carrying it around in the box actually. I'm not too sure of that right now, but it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty neat. It describes what it does right on the box. You could connect it to your computer, your camcorder, your phone, your DSLR camera. You can use it for interviews, for podcasts, for all sort of videos that you need to do. Also, if you need to take a video selfie, vlogging, you can do all that with it. So if you look at the side of the box, you can see all that information, and you can also check if the what you bought is actually the correct kind of device by scanning with your transparency application. So let's get right inside the box right now to see what comes with it. So I'm gonna slide it open right now, and you can see in there in the box I got the packaging right there. So I'm gonna dive a little bit now into this. I'm just gonna push the box away and then open this up. So a little bit of disclaimer: all the audio in this recording is recorded using the Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone with just a little bit of noise cancellation, noise removal from my environment. But every other thing is recorded straight up with the Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone, so you can hear how it feels and of course decide for yourself if it works for you. So we got the carriage bag inside there, and we've got extra clips for the lavaliere, so for you to clip onto your clothes or anything you're recording on. So you got those extra pairs right there. Also in the box you have the manual to check instructions on how to use the lavaliere microphone, but of course I'm not sure I'll be using that because I've gotten quite an experience with using lavaliere microphones. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box and then put the extra clips on it. There's some other stuff in the bag which I will show us later. It's just some extra stuff, but let's go right into the main thing. So here we just got the dryer thing. I'm just gonna put that away. Then I got the main packaging of my microphone, which looks really nice from what I think. That's the battery. It's actually an extra battery. There's a battery that comes inside it from factory. The battery is for when you're recording on your what's it called, on your DSLR camera, so you need that extra power to get the audio into it. And then I got the clip-on for the lavaliere, so that goes right there, and that's the 3.5mm jack, and then the 1/4 inch for going into your mixer or anything you got to do right there. And then it's a pretty long cable, really long cable for you to use. I've tried it out and it really looks really awesome in terms of length, so I could be as far away as from my camera as possible. Then that's the bundle. Then you see that dual cable coming out right there that leads to the microphone heads. So that is where you clip onto yourself and your guest on the show, or any two individuals coming up on the show. Actually recording this, I have both of them clipped onto me, which is kind of really nice because I got that extra audio clarity for myself. So I'm just gonna fit the wind reflector on. I'm not sure that fits quite right, so I'm just gonna check out on the carrier bag and see if there are some other ones. And of course, they look bigger and they fit more on the lavalier head. So I'm just going to put this on my microphone edge right now. So I'm just going to fit that in. And also fit in the other microphone head. And one thing to note here is the microphone is actually pretty much on budget. If you check on Amazon, I'm in the UK, it cost about £27 as at the time I made the order. So it's pretty on budget. For me, it's pretty nice, captures real audio and captures real quality audio for my own purpose. So I'm just going to clip on the lavalier clip on for my shirt or any clothes I'm wearing, and also for my guests to clip on their clothes when I am having interviews on my shows. And that's the practical use I'll actually be using for this. Later on in this video, you'll see me have my wife join me to do a little bit of recording and review of the microphone. So I think I'm good to go with this microphone right now. So this goes on my clothes. It's pretty strong, so you don't fear it falling off your clothes at any point in time whatsoever. So right here, that's where I got that. That's an extra battery. Actually, I didn't know that until I opened the capsule up to see there's actually a battery already inside with me. So that's some extra space part for you right there, so you don't go spending money on batteries and stuff when you don't actually need to. So you have some very much long time to spend with the microphone before you worry about buying batteries or some extra spare parts for it. So pretty much, I'm going to close it up now. Just checking everything is nice and sturdy. Close it up. You can see the Maono logo right there. So you can clip this onto your clothes or anything that you want to. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Really good to go. That's the switch right there if you need to connect it to your camera to get that extra juice in as regards power. So I'm just going to put that in the carrier bag so I can keep it safe for later purposes. So that's it. That's the microphone in the bag and all that. That's the manual. I'm going to put that also away for safekeeping, just in case I need to transfer this mic to someone else in the future, or in case I need to refer to some instructions in the later future. So I'm just going to keep all that right there and put it all back where it belongs. So pretty much, that's the microphone right there in all its glory. Boom, box closed. Right there, that's the Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. So let's catch on right now and get my wife up on this video. Hey people! As I promised you, I got my beautiful wife joining me to do this review of the Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone. Breaking news, is the first time I'm doing this dual recording thing with my wife ever publicly. We've been having some fun in-house, but yeah, it's what it is. So, dear beautiful wife, how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, and how's been your day?
Oh, you know how my day has been.
It's been really squishy. That's our term for how our day has been. And it's really been a good day. There's been some good news so far. So that about it. So you're listening directly to the Maono Dual Lavaliere microphone. I got one clipped onto me. She has another one clipped onto her. And it's got this twin audio thing going into one central, would I call it, mixer? And then this goes in straight into my computer or your smartphone or DSLR or camcorder, as your case might be. So thanks for joining me today. What do you have to say to my listeners?
Oh, I just want to thank you for always watching my husband's YouTube channel.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll put the link to buy this same microphone in the description section below. So do well to check it out, and also subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. See you people later.
Thank you.
Bye.